Welcome to AutoMaster In-Depth Car Reviews, the experts' insights. The new 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, a modern reinterpretation of the classic icon that blends retro styling with advanced technology and performance. Volkswagen has brought back this legendary nameplate with a fresh design that pays homage to the original while incorporating contemporary elements that make it a true standout in today's market. The exterior of the new Karmann Ghia immediately catches the eye with its sleek aerodynamic bodywork that seamlessly fuses vintage charm with modern aesthetics. The signature round headlights and smooth curves from the classic model remain, but now they're complemented by LED lighting, a sculpted front grille, and a more aggressive stance. The lightweight chassis, made from a mix of aluminum and high-strength steel, improves both efficiency and handling. The sloping roofline and bold wheel arches enhance its sporty character, while the available two-tone color options add to its nostalgic appeal. Inside, the cabin offers a perfect balance of luxury and technology. Premium materials, such as leather-brushed aluminum and soft-touch surfaces, create an upscale feel, while a minimalist dashboard keeps the focus on driving. A fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time vehicle data, and the large infotainment touchscreen integrates Volkswagen's latest software with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ambient lighting, and customizable digital displays allow for a personalized driving experience, while the ergonomic seats ensure comfort even on long journeys. The rear seats, while compact, provide enough space for occasional passengers or additional cargo. Under the hood, Volkswagen offers multiple powertrain options to suit different driving preferences. The base model comes with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering a balance of power and efficiency, while the high-performance variant features a more powerful turbocharged unit with enhanced acceleration and dynamic handling for those looking for an eco-friendly option. An all-electric version is also available, featuring Volkswagen's latest EV technology with a respectable range and fast charging capabilities. The advanced suspension system, precise steering, and lightweight construction make for a thrilling driving experience, whether cruising down the highway or taking on winding roads. Safety and driver assistance technologies are a top priority in the 2026 Karmann Ghia. The vehicle is equipped with Volkswagen's latest safety suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for improved visibility. These features ensure not only a fun drive, but also a secure one, making the car suitable for both enthusiasts and everyday drivers. Volkswagen has positioned the new Karmann Ghia as a stylish, performance-oriented coupe with a blend of heritage and innovation. Whether you're drawn to its nostalgic design, modern technology, or thrilling performance, this car offers a compelling package for those who appreciate both classic and contemporary automotive excellence. With various trim levels and customization options, buyers can tailor their Karmann Ghia to match their unique preferences. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest automotive news, be sure to subscribe to AutoMaster for more exciting content.